Good day, my name is James Eugene, the window expert. On this video, we want to talk about sliding windows, the best size for aluminum sliding window. We've talked about casement window, and I believe if you check our platform, you will see it there. If you have not seen it, just check the platform. You will see where we talked about the best size for aluminum casement window. Today, we are going to be discussing aluminum sliding window, the best size of it. Okay. Now, whereas we said that casement window need much of height and less of width, something like this, divided by 2, you will have your panels open like this and like this. Okay, but for sliding window need much of width and less of height. To enable this window slide efficiently without any sound. Now, divided by 2, you will have something like this. Your measurement can be 1.8 millimeter or 1.7 millimeter or even 1.3 or so. But always ensure that whatsoever is the width, the size of the width, let it not be lesser than the size of the height. Okay, now if we have something like this could be 1.1, all right, or even 0.9, 0.8, any measurement of your choice for the height. Now, when you have something like this, from here to here is enough size of glass to add weight on this roller. Sliding window slide very well when it is carrying load. The roller will be pressed down a bit and then it will slide very free and soundless, especially when your contractor fabricates it very well. Okay, but for casement window, less of width and much of height will help that window to last, opening and closing without any sound. So I will advise, because I've had some architects, engineers call me for this particularly. Okay, which size do I think is best for sliding windows of all kinds, any kind of sliding window you are doing, all right, different profiles. I prefer this size to enable the window slide very well. Even if you want to make it bigger, like this, okay, the only thing I will say is that always ensure that the measurement of the height is not bigger than the measurement of the width, in order that that window will slide very well. Let's assume we have something like this for sliding window, okay, and like this. I can tell you that this window will not slide very well because the height is much than the width. It is supposed to be the other way around, where the width will either be the same with the height or bigger than the height, in order to slide very well and smoothly. If you love this video, please click the notification and bell and subscribe to this channel so that anytime we drop video, you will be among the first people to see it and learn from it. And again, please, if you have any project out there that you trust us to come and do for you, feel free to reach out to us on the number showing on your screen right now. I will do I will do my best to come around, check it out, and we'll take it up from there. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.